All right, about 63 pounds. We're at about 1,008, 1,010 to 1 mass ratio. It's raining, and yeah, going to slow-mo. That was a hit, and loud. Where is it? Oh, it's high. I made a pin adjustment because I went up on counterweight. Oh yeah, it is. That's deeper. That's deeper. Still not a full penetration, but yeah, that's awesome. Really nice and centered. I mean, that's like perfectly centered from the sighting adjustment. All right, shot 4, 1,200 to 1. I bent the hammer leg back into position. I'm gonna have to upgrade that hinge. We got an impact low right in the dirt, so made adjustments. Opened the gap half a turn and made a sight adjustment. 1,200 to 1 mass ratio. 3 slow-mo. That's a hit. Now we can track the audio, get a velocity. Oh, right there. Oh, that's steel behind there. That for sure would have gone through this. Maybe have gone through that.